So yesterday Apple shown us the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro and Max, and in this video today I wanted to talk about 5 things that Apple did not mention during the Apple's event. So these are not, let's say, super important things, but for some people that may be actually important when it comes to the actual choice between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone Pro and Max. So guys, without any further ado, let's go ahead and start the video, and I will quickly show you guys everything that you need to know about those two iPhone models. So let's start with the faster Face ID. So Apple didn't tell us anything about the faster Face ID during the actual keynotes, but there was this, let's say, promotional video or just an ad video which said that the Face ID is now actually faster. How much faster is this going to be? I don't really know, because you know, it has to be tested and of course compare it to the iPhone 10 and 10s and 10s Max. But obviously I think that it's gonna be like maybe 15% faster, maybe 20, at maybe 30% faster. But I'm still thinking that we're not gonna be actually getting a drastic improvement over this one. But still, you know, a faster Face ID is just better, because sometimes in some situations I'm just getting so nervous and angry because the Face ID cannot recognize my face, or it's just taking too long to do that. So this is definitely a big plus. Next up is the U1 chip. Now this is the new kind of chip that's built into the iPhone, and now it allows the iPhone for spatial awareness. So it now knows where the other U1 device is actually located in the space, in the environment. So for example, if my friend is somewhere there in that room, and if I want to airdrop something to him, I just basically put my iPhone like this, and he'll be the first one on the list for the airdrop function. And the same will go for the Apple tags, which if you've heard is going to be announced somewhere maybe in the future, but it's just a small device that's going to be attached to, for example, a keychain or something else that you want to locate in the space, and you basically will see that on your iPhone. So these iPhone models are going to actually support that, so they are future proof. Now for this third point, I wanted to take a deep dive into this battery efficiency, because Apple already told us that the new Bionic chip is actually super energy efficient. But apart from that, the new faster Wi-Fi, which is now number 6, this is the new standard for it, and I've actually read a little bit about that. So it's also energy efficient, so it now has this function to actually go into sleep mode when you're not using it, so it's going to bring even better battery life. And apart from that, also the display of the new iPhone, only the Pro series, is also energy efficient, so now it's 15% more efficient than before. And now what Apple did mention during the keynote is this 18-watt USB-C power adapter. So the catch is basically this only comes with the Pro models of the iPhone. If you're just buying the iPhone 11 and you'd like to fast charge it using this adapter, it doesn't come in the box, so you have to buy it separately. So yeah, this is kind of a very bad catch here, but you know, it's extra $30 just for this brick. And then also the lightning cable, which should be the USB-C to lightning, is also about 20. So we're looking at about $50 extra for the iPhone 11 if you want to charge with this adapter. And the last point for today is going to be the official death of the 3D Touch technology. So Apple was super proud when they announced that, but after a few years, as you can see right now, the 3D Touch is no longer available on the iPhone 11 or even Pro. So it's completely like removed from the iPhone itself. So yeah, if you're a huge user of the 3D Touch, you love it, basically stay on the iPhone XS or any other iPhone except for the XR, so just to get that 3D Touch. But you know, the haptic touch isn't that bad, you'll get used to it, but of course that's a very bad point for me, just because the 3D Touch is no longer there. So that should be pretty much it for today. Here are all of these 5 points which I wanted to let you know about if you're planning to buy the iPhone 11 or Pro. I really hope that they were useful, and I hope you'll make a right decision after all. And anyways guys, that should be pretty much it for today. I really hope to see you around on my next one, and have a great day. Peace.